call the Korle Bu Teaching Hospital. President John Dramani Mahama said maternity ward and as a maternity block Gordon Goggisberg maternity block I work Korle Bu Teaching Hospital no yemubu edino entungu na yenhwese ebesi foforo e de asure because edino aba ye death trap make can say hospital ho because see you know edino losing the structural integrity asanso aba ye death trap work Korle Bu Teaching Hospital ho na hospital yi emre ben na yesi ye President Mahama orders demolition of Korle Bu's death trap maternity block. And this is how I say maternity block ne de omu enkom na emom said ye si ho no ebetimi adwiragu na amanfo mu twam omone nam ho no etimi akogu om so amom akohwere om nkwa. This is how I say President John Dramani Mahama ahyese omu emubu sa edan no engu. Na quickly you ever kotie President John Dramani Mahama ne nsem odi tudwa on this particular one no ye ba ne abetire mu mu emre ben time ben po na sa maternity block yi omu esi ye and na renovations ben kra na etimi akoho a edan no etimi atete apansam ayesa no ti yenko ne ti President John Dramani Mahama ye tie ni wi a na ya ba ne de de aka no abeto aso de amamo yenko yemra sisi.
But before I close, let me also announce that we're going through the procurement process to build a new maternity block for the Korle Bu Teaching Hospital. And we will pull down the old Gordon Goggisberg building that has today become a death trap. Every other day our mothers give birth in that building. It is a death trap that can cause devastation. And so it is now my singular honor and privilege to declare the Ghana Medical Trust Fund Cardiac Catheterization Laboratory at the National Cardiothoracic Center of the Korle Bu Teaching Hospital duly commissioned for the service of the people of Ghana. I thank you. May God bless the Korle Bu Teaching Hospital. May God bless you all. May God bless our homeland Ghana and make our nation great and strong.
President John Dramani Mahama, the commissioning of the new cardiothoracic center Korle Bu Teaching Hospital and ordinance some two just say maternity block no procurement akoso omo ebe start na omo see a very new procurement a very new maternity block Korle Bu Teaching Hospital. Now in name say Korle Bu Teaching Hospital no yes in between the years of 1920 and then 1928 that time no na colonial government na omo edi Ghana so between 1920 and a committee be ese edidi ho nkomo ase ye behwe ne esi hospital yi na serve Ghana for na from 1920 na 1924 and officially omo etimi complete ye because un say edan no ye be complete the first phase and the phase ya sese ye besi no ye be complete eno ne complete we will commission. And as time goes on, no, now there was a debate Cahonia that said President John Dramani Mahama commissioned cardiothoracic center at Korle Bu Teaching Hospital. No, it's between the years of 1920 1928 and a Korle Bu Teaching Hospital. You see here, and to hear maternity block, which is Gordon Goggisberg maternity block now a see what chair on your screen. Someone said there are cracks near day. Dining one, ama dino abaya death trap. It is also losing its structural integrity. Said dine si ho yakasa dine we edimu baby esino eye na ho odin ni pillars bi timachi bia ema dine ho no saa eniema no edan no elusi utimu se dine no we kotre kra eyire no ho pushi ni kakra bia dine betimi adwiragu e President John Dramani Mahama hye se omu enjuri edan no engu na procurement akoso a ye besi an ultra modern maternity block ewo Korle Bu Teaching Hospital na a serve Ghana for Ghana adishie dodo na ewo nkranhane mhiamia bebre ewo Korle Bu Teaching Hospital. That is the update ayede ba na ewia enim se ebesa de ato Gordon Goggisberg anasa ono de ne ebubu no yede beto obi foforo no so eya asem foforo yebehwe na yede eho ensem ede amamo na yeto ansem no so a President John Dramani Mahama Koyana enra ade a oyeye eya anwonsem ema Ghana fo bebre omo hu ne se president upon the homodin and say president wa pon adwuma okofie no hu se East Legon Hills kwan so ho baby after that is airport bypass the East Legon Hills baby a Major Maxwell Mahama ne roundabout no wo no accident bi asi wo ho anka president de wono convoy no aso watwam na nka wokọ no dru wo hu accident si fresh no se da bi mami si fom na me nkọ assess situation no say na niema esitie a ohwe ye oda ye ma ye de ni cars ni bi edify ebi mo edi omukọ hospital na amanfo abo mo nsem edi ama president John Dramani Mahama quickly no ye nkọ ne nkọ hwe niema ekọ so ewo major Maxwell Mahama roundabout ne so ho na ye mra sesie.
So I don't know what's happening on the Mahama Road, Airport Hills, but for some reason, after whatever happened, and then they pushed the vehicle. I don't know if you can see the vehicle in the video, and then they pushed it to the side, right? And shortly after, there was a motorcade coming through with state official. You see the crest, the government crest and everything on the vehicle, and I knew Mahama was in it. And guess what? Mahama stopped! This man is a gentleman. Gosh, see him. The president was on his way home from somewhere, and he saw that the accident had happened, and then he stopped. See him. This is Mahama. See him right there. Mahama stopped. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. This man is surely a gentleman. See him. See him standing right there. Do you see him? Do you see him? Do you see him in the brown? Do you see him in the brown? I'm so excited. Like,
Enti eno the very first gentleman of the land, President John Dramani Mahama, ne say osi form efri ne convoy mu wapon adwuma ekofie osi form ekwohwe omo prepare accident victims na ewo Major Maxwell Mahama roundabout ne so ho na okoya osi form ekwohwe omo prepare amanfo obona baso say president waya de pa say otimi esi form ekwohwe obobi a enko betwam no akọ nenso ohun say accident esi fresh ano na so si na okọ no okọ assess situation no say the enema no esitie na wa assist omo na omo enso etimi ho ato omo kakra. It is that is President John Dramani Mahama osi form stopped by to help accident victims on the Major Maxwell Mahama roundabout enra enwumre na ekoso enti ye beto so na ye de updates no ede amamo na sisi ameno ka say the din kan de mamo no procurement ekoso say the new maternity block ewo Korle Bu teaching hospital no omo ebesi new one ede ama eye Ghana for ade share dodo na because unse de ye de kire mo no de ebubu anisa enti na hu behia se ewo se omo esi foforo nti se ameno ka say ensu atoto ne demolition ekoso wo Ghana ha no Korle Bu teaching hospital omo so ensa akomo de a se ameno ka say omo de omo ti ayeye yebu ni esi foforo ede ama hospital no se de be serve Ghana for ade share dodo na omo ho etumi ato omo nim se Accra resetting agenda no hospital facilities ni ade eka ho bia ni nyina eka ho na President John Dramani Mahama ede ahye ni dwumadie mu o make sure there is going to be an adequate facility. And as a facilities are ewo Ghana, especially in Kraihano, you bet me enya na duduo mu na timi serve Ghana for eno ye the Accra reset agenda. Na Oba Mahama cares no so the other aspect of it and so empower Ghana for say omo ebetimi enya some selected yare bi obetimi enya first hand care and sana escalate and as a more pija akwakodru baby foforo etia no President John Dramani Mahama ne niema oye bi ewo enkranduamu ha na Ghana ha amanfo dodo na ebo na baso na ukọ ye comment section ho a amanfo dodo na ede omo ensem aba betudwa obi ti say Isaac K5 was the third term for President John Mahama is a must. Well o na wo kan wo kire wa adwene constitution ni makwan sa de a ene fine omo eko kenkan mu na constitution no emma kwan sa de a na che say said you no ade tudwa say onko third term no emma so sa we so say JM is a good leader. We James Akona also JM is a good leader. Another term for him will go a long way to help Ghanaians. And also so James Akonaga and also adding the comment about. So obviously the comment about Emrepemu Yebekai Ama na also wehu dear Aircore said yes indeed you were part of the show. Yebetwa and some no so na yede amamo. Na